Okay, this is class of '68 bonfire on Lake Michigan. You see it's kind of dark around here. That's why I brought my flashlight.
You know where you're going to find that flashlight?
It's not bright enough.
I forgot all about it.
Oh, here we go again.
Hi, Kathy.
Go away.
Hi, Cher.
Hi, Cool.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jan. Hi, Frank.
How you doing, Blue?
Hey, Vern. How you doing?
Say anything?
Hey, JD. How you doing, man? I can't really say. Hey, Larry. How you doing, man? Hey, Rick. How you doing, man?
Before you got here.
Oh, let's see. Oh, can I see who it is? Yeah, I gotta wiggle the flashlight around. And who have I got over here? Oh, it's Patty. Hi, Patty.
Hi.
Patty.
Hi.
Two Patty cakes.
Hi there.
Wow. And who have we got over here?
Rosie.
Rosie and Marcia.
Me.
And Sandy is running from me.
Go chase her now.
Of course. I got my flashlight on her over there somehow. She's hiding. I have to get everybody since there's not enough
Are you
light.
part policeman?
I'm the part policeman. Okay, hey, how are you doing?
Ah, how are you?
Hey, how are you doing, Peggy? How you doing?
Marvelous. I have stars in my eyes.
Hey. How are you doing?
I think you used to ride our bus, too.
Hey, Steve, you can barely, I gotta get closer to see those guys.
Out by Orchard Hills?
Hi, Doug, how you doing, man? Hey, Bill.
Is it okay?
Hi, Betty. Hey, Steve.
Hey, Blue.
Hey, Matt Dale, how you doing? Hey, Doug. I mean, Don.
We were just discussing
Well, I can't see what this,
like a virus.
I'm like a virus, yes. Hey, this is the fire pit
Yeah,
at
thank
Lake
you.
Michigan. There is Ann, and here is Cliff.
Hey, how you doing?
I should have bought a better battery in my flashlight. I could get more pictures this way. Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I got one in my car, but people might...
Hey, how are you doing, Vicky?
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Jim, what's happening, buddy?
You.
Oh, I got back to Jim again.
Hey,
huh?
Blue.
Jim and Pat. Pat's the one that started all this.
Yes, he is.
And it's a fire pit. Can you see all these people? Yes.
Hi, Blue.
She's gonna hurt you.
She's going to hurt me?
Soon.
All right. Promise?
Not that way.
I love it. Frank, could you tell us about your hole-in-one? I mean, on the golf course.
Let's not talk about that right now. Chancers didn't want to hear it anymore.
Biggest fish story I ever heard.
Yeah, right.
Well, let's see. Can't see, it's too dark.